Descaling your Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Solo coffee machine removes limescale buildup and keeps performance and coffee quality at its best. Follow this quick process to maintain a clean and efficient machine. How to descaling. To clean your Vertuo Pop Plus Solo machine, rinse the water tank and lid, fill the tank with fresh water, and place it back on the machine. Eject any used capsule, then empty and rinse the capsule container and drip tray. Remove and rinse the cup support. Place a 1-liter container under the coffee outlet, close and lock the machine, and wait for it to heat up. Once ready, press the coffee button 3 times within 2 seconds to start the cleaning cycle. The process begins after about 2 minutes and runs automatically for approximately 7 minutes. A steady light indicates completion. Avoid using strong or abrasive cleaning products. For descaling, use a 1-liter container and 1 unit of Nespresso descaling solution mixed with 0.5 liters of water. After preparing the machine and entering descaling mode, start the process and allow it to complete the descaling cycle automatically. Once finished, rinse the water tank and accessories, refill the tank with fresh water, and run the rinse cycle. When the light becomes steady, descaling is complete. Let the machine dry for 10 minutes before use. To empty the machine before storage or transport, remove all water, place a container under the coffee outlet, close and lock the machine, unplug it, then hold the coffee button while reconnecting the power. The machine will automatically empty the internal system in about 30 seconds and switch off when finished. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus coffee machine. See you at the next one.